He gave me a hat.
We're taking the back roads. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the spillway. What this guy's working on.
Educational video today. How to say cuss words properly. Set the hook. I even have my Barbie rod today.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna have him strapped with a little chest GoPro. That way you can see all his little baby hook sets on that baby rod. And then, that should be a good day. If it's anything like Friday, should be good.
There she is, people. Pride and Joy Oroville.
It's your work right there. It's what almost flooded the entire town of Oroville right there.
I built this spillway with my own 2 hands. Not really.
It's looking pretty good, man.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful. It's so pretty. Big,
That's a good
like,
shot right there.
so pretty.
Her fave had to go make a move. I finessed that word for them dividends. With this chain, I can't step in the room. It's way too much water. I'm swimming.
This lady hates me.
Really?
What can she say? She was so pissed I filmed her.
Did she notice?
Yeah, I pointed the camera right at her. That's what she gets. She broke my heart a few years ago. Not really. We're on a safari right now, Mike. Looking for them black-tailed deer. They're in full rut. Trying to get a nut before Christmas time. Running around with their nose up women's crotches and stuff. There's always got to be one right here. They must have heard I was coming.
Yeah, they're usually piled right here.
Well,
Nada.
looks good. How's the launch ramp? I heard it was like almost...
It's only like on foot. Well, Friday it was 666. Yeah. There was only like a foot before the ramp's out. I was having some trouble yesterday. This thing was getting stuck. I'd have to kind of push it down a little bit and it wouldn't want to come down. Sprayed a little WD-40.
Just,
like
that's white trash lubrication. Usually I use spit, but when WD-40 is handy, you can also use that.
We just pulled up on Lake Oroville. Be out here for a few hours, see if we can't catch a few fish. If it's anything like Friday, it was all jig fish. So I got the 1 jig rod on the deck and see what we can make happen.
First things first, we got to get down to business. Cracking cold ones, catching fish. Yeah. I got a little fishy. Little fishy. With the 760 tube action. Spitting up bait. Yeah, see that? Take notes. I think I got your line, no? See how I have him hooked all crazy? He's going, I have him hooked in the bottom of the jaw. No, it's on the side of the mouth. Yeah. Oh shit. Dude, through his face. sorry. I had to do it to you. Come on, doubles.
Chris has got me 2-1 right now.
About to be 3-1.
First fish is a jig fish.
Oh, got a little headache on the way out. Tad to the hook set. Nice.
Little guy. Two.
Not for long. Big one?
Little squeaker. Look at that. Right at the top of the mouth. Every single fish I've been catching, dude.
Jesus.
That's a good one.
Oh, yeah. That's a chunk. It's probably close to 2.
Probably pushed like a 1.6, 1.7, maybe a 1.5. Not bad. Little guy. Let's get a weight on him. Just like always, we'll put our best 5 on here. 141. Not bad. Take that.
Oh. There we go. Oh, shit.
A decent one. Oh, get him in the boat. Get him in the boat.
I'm trying to get him on camera. It's got to be close to 2 pounds.
About time Chris gets a decent one on. What we got here? What'd that fish eat? Oh, little jiggy jig. Nice.
On scale.
Yeah.
158.
158. Okay.
Oh.
Well, that's your big fish so far.
Fuck. I guess I need to start drinking more. Once I opened a beer, I started catching fish again. I went like 30 minutes without getting bit. Mallards just shit on us. And ketchup. That thing's pissed.
A decent one. won't stop eating it. They are loving it.
Oh. I don't know. Probably not. That was way out there.
You were right on the bank, huh?
I threw it back towards those rocks where we keep getting bit.
You didn't weigh those last few fish. You weighed yours.
I weighed. Should I weigh this?
Sure. Shade. That's fucking worth it.
134.
What's up, Devin? We got Chang right here. We all know them.
Holy shit.
And Chris? Oh, hold on a second.
3.5 pound spot.
Dude, what the hell?
It's a fucking. What'd you catch it on a jig?
Jig. 3.3.
Ooh, nice.
240.
Ooh, dude, you're off to a good start, man.
All the other one. We got 2 salmon too.
Really?
Yep.
Are you gonna take them home?
Devin's been taking them to eat them. I saw Bo and his dad here.
Don't toss it, just hand it to me. Oh, there we go. It's a nice fish, man. Well, fucking A. How long are you guys gonna be here today?
I don't know until Chris gives up.
Oh shoot, we've been hammering them on jigs all day. That's the only thing we can catch them on.
Badass, my daughter's rod. I caught a 2-pounder at Bullard's on that thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, but those ice fishing rods are fucking badass, dude.
They're sweet.
My little sister pulled an 8.5 pounder out of Comanche on a Princess.
Oh yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Those things hold up quick and
I swear to God, I thought I was gonna snap in half. I said, she's like, I got a fish, you know, and the thing's bent, but you know, you hook a stick and the thing's bent in half. She manages to bring it up, and I'm like, oh, like game mode, grab the net, like. I'm holding the whole pole with both hands, trying not to break.
You know, I was over there. I was like wondering who was with you, and I saw Chris hooked it. I was like, oh, that's fucking Chris.
Just like the Happy Gilmore, just fucking
Run with me. Hooked it, gives it away. He's like, that's Chris.
Yeah, he's hooked into a few today. He's missed a little bit more than hooked him though. Yeah, this guy, every time he pounds a beer, he catches one. So how many beers you down?
I'm only on 3. I got 4 last night.
Look who just pulled up on us. We got Bo and we got Brad Allen. So how you guys doing today?
Couple. Not the best day on the water, but
Yeah. What do you got in your hands right there? How big is that one?
this one was 112.
One.
About 2 pounds.
Okay. Nice. What'd you get that one on?
Jig. Bass Union jig.
Nice, bro.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. You guys catching a lot today or just
no,
here?
Not many, few and far between.
Okay. How about you, Brad? You picking them up back in the back of the boat?
Just a few. I was smoking in the first hour. And I couldn't catch anything for the next 4.
Awesome. Well, it's good to see you guys out here.
Oh yeah.
Well, good luck.
Oh, I got one.
Right on the bank.
Maybe. Yeah.
Huh?
I think so.
Hooked into a good one. Probably your best one all day, though. Little fatty.
Dude, I did. He ain't having his mouth.
Yeah. That's a solid 1.5, 1.6.
152.
Nice.
Yeah. 586 for 4 fish.
For 4 fish. Friday, I remember weighing, I had, for 4 fish, I had 7 something on Friday. And then I got another 1.5, and then I ended up with 9.
Came and grabbed.
Is that trout?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
You need to catch that.
Oh my god.
Oh, I had him.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's still up there, dude.
Where is he?
Just toss it right back in there. Oh, keep it up high. A little.
I don't know what it is, but I got something. It's gonna jump. Little bass. Dragging. Monster.
Giant bass.
Been caught before. It's got like pus where it's been hooked. It's right on the top of its nose.
Get hooked up.
Yeah, I got hooked up. Oh!
Just cast it in there. Good one?
No. Really?
Whack my line.
Giant spotted bass. Magnum Bullard's bar spotted bass. That's what Cody Myers calls a magnum. It's a magnum. You want to see if somebody eat some fish ass?
Dude, what the God.
You want to see the magic bait? Look at it. You can see the like. How is a fish gonna get the hook in its mouth? I don't know. We're gonna find out because I'm gonna catch one. This cast right here. Oh, dude! I was slow rolling it off that rock.
No. No.
Oh, it's a fucking monster.
No.
Yeah, dude. That is a pawn. Oh. I touched it.
Oh my goodness.
It touched the boat.
Just angry. Jesus.
Angry little fish? Little fish?
I think so. He's pissed.
Ooh. A bad one. And boat flip them. Chris is all finesse. Oh yeah. It's a decent one, dude. Weigh it.
Weigh it.
Oh yeah.
1.5. 141.
Look at that belly though, man.
I thought it was huge for a second. We got 727.
Our best 4.
Yeah, so we'd probably have 8 pounds on the NorCal 90 scale. Jesus.
It's all started coming in.
Yeah.
Couldn't keep them off our jigs. Oh, geez. Is that payback for earlier?
Yeah.
All those success I did. Oh, you were out deep.
No, I threw up pretty shallow. It was a bomb, long cast. Fucking head shake.
Oh, that's a good one, dude. Maybe we'll end it on this note. Good one. Chris over here ending the day with a good one. Just ate that jig, huh? How the?
I cooked it in the. It didn't even have it in.
What? Kind of on the side, did some Jedi scent stuff. Man, let's get a weight on that thing real quick.
Oh. Stop it. 191, 185. Now it's saying 180. I'll take that.
Say it, put it in the coal that thing.
Take out.
See what our biggest, what our bag is.
187.
So what's our 5 fish total?
780.
780. That ain't bad. Good job, man. And the release.
She gone.
Count. Yeah, Chris just caught big. Well, that was a big fish today, huh?
Yeah.
180.
The 3 biggest fish on the scale right now.
Gosh, dude, I've been slacking today.
I want to catch a fish real bad on his rod just so I can show him how big it.
Yeah, he picked up my rod to see how it feels, and he likes it so far.
It's a nice rod. I mean, little light for me, but.
But light and limber.
Oh, there's a lawn chair or something. You want that in the boat?
Oh, what?
Oh, put that on the bank.
Oh, gosh. No, we've been having too much fun out here today. It's, you know, when we first got out here, it was just boom, 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 boom on the jig. And then it seemed like the weather kind of changed and it slowed down for us.
It shut down big time.
Yeah, it shut down big time. And we headed up the Middle Fork and we caught a few fish, or I mean, he caught a few fish and I just watched. And he got redemption. So, you know, we're about to call it a day. So if you don't see any more fish catches, because we didn't catch anything else. So me and Chris just got off the water, got the boat all loaded up. Have my girl do my dirty work for me.
I heard that.
So our best 5 today, they went looking at the scale, 782, so just almost close to 8 pounds today. I mean, overall, compared to how Oroville can fish, that's decent. You know, it's better than average. 7.5 is kind of the average, so we were just above it. But you know, I had a blast. You know, it's always fun being able to get on the water. I don't care how bad it's fishing or how good, it's always a good time. So, you know, so we get out here with my boy Chris. It's always a pleasure fishing with him. So, till next time, you know,
Yeah.
we'll have to come out again here sometime soon when you get a day off.
Yep.
But
Next time, hopefully it is in Oroville and it's Bullard's Bar, and I'll show you how to catch 10 pounders.
oh, are you fishing the club turkey?
I don't know. Gary said Gary messaged me and said he might want to fish, so.
Gary, come on, step it up, bro. This guy, we got somebody that wants to fish.
I mean,
Let him fish.
If I'm not grounded, then I get grounded a lot. I get in trouble a lot. My old lady beats me. So it was cool to come out and fish today and get away from the abusive household. I mean,
oh yeah, he's ass his grass for that.
white trash lives matter.
So maybe I'm not sure if I'll be able to get out this week. I'm gonna try, but if not, our next little club derby is gonna be on Bullard's Bar this coming Sunday. So that should be a lot of fun.
This Sunday?
Yeah, this coming Sunday. So should be a lot of fun. Well, hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.
I get that camera out of my face. I'm over it. Get that.